Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making beans cake, popularly known as for this recipe I'll be using brown beans, but you can use any beans of your choice. I start by soaking my brown beans in water for some hours to make it softer. Once my beans is soft, I place it into my blender and use the pulse function to crush it a little bit. In case you don't want to use a blender, you can use your hand to peel your beans, but I believe the blender makes it easier and faster. Now our beans is clean, our onions are peeled, the habanero pepper and salt to season. I blend my beans with less water because it's very important not to add so much water to your beans while blending it, else your akara is going to dissolve in the oil. Now it's time to pour the blended beans into a bowl and allow my mixer to do the work to beat the beans and turn it into a fluffy batter. If you want a more crunchy akara, you must beat your beans batter properly. Fluffy batter is ready. Now I'm adding my diced onion, the habanero pepper and the salt for seasoning. And to add more nutrients to this akara, this special delicious akara, I'm adding dried prawns and deboned grilled mackerel fish. It's time to stir everything together and mix it very well. Now my pan with hot oil is ready. It's time to fry your akara. You turn it over and over again and ensure you have a golden brown color on both sides. Wow! The aroma and the smell in the kitchen is just heavenly. Wow! I can't wait to test this yummy akara. So tell me, what are you going to combine your akara with? I usually combine mine with either pap or oats. But in Nigeria, you can also combine. Nigeria, we love to combine akara with bread and so many other food. So tell me, in your country, what do you combine akara with? Wow, can you see the beautiful sight of delicious, yummylicious golden brown beans cake, aka akara? Tell me if you're going to try this recipe with your family and loved ones. Comment in the section below. Look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for watching. Danke, tschüss, bye bye.